Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. How's it going today? My name is Serrano and I do tech videos. If you're new to the crew, subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it in some more detail. But if this is your very first time to my channel, I do tech unboxings and smartphone reviews. Make sure you stay to the end because I have something special for all of my subscribers. So let's just go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and find my knife. Here it is. And this is the S20 FE 5G. You can see the box is all white with a hint of mint green at the top. It does say S20 right here, Samsung Galaxy FE 5G. You've probably seen hundreds of unboxings at this point, so let's just cut open the box and just see what's inside. This is my very first time actually. I haven't watched any videos on it, so I'm not sure what to expect because I knew I was gonna order mine and I didn't want to know what was in the box already. Okay, so there's something in this box right here, it seems like. Okay, so we get like a white piece to separate the phone from the actual. Okay, so we get the box right here, which houses the SIM card remover tool. And this pamphlet also does house your, right here it says everything you need to know, the pro grade camera, 30 times space zoom, night mode. You do get your single take and 5G capabilities as well. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Your quick reference guide we'll put right here, and your terms and conditions as well. Now that's all that was in here, as well as your SIM card remover tool as well. Let's put that right here off to the side. And now we're gonna just take a look at what's in the box right here. So here you are greeted with the phone up top, and it does appear to look really nice as far as dimensions. Now there were 3 phones that were released that were supposed to be the budget beasts. We had the Nord, we had the SE, the Samsung, the FE right now, also the Google Pixel 4a, and all those models, and now the Apple 2020 SE. But now we have the Samsung Galaxy FE at a really unrivaled price, and for the specs and performance of this thing, it's really going to be hard to tell which one is the best. But let's just take a look at this one. We're going to put this right here off to the side. Wow, that camera looks absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what else we have in here. Put that down here. Now they do give us a nicely wrapped and packaged Type-C cable to Type-A. Put that right down below. We do get your brick right here. It does look like it supports 5 volts, 9 volts as well. It's pretty cool. Put this right here. So you do get fast charging, and that's pretty much everything that we have inside of the box. So let's begin the unboxing process. I'm gonna go ahead, well, it's already unboxed. That's the full unboxing process. Let's turn on the phone now and see what we have here. Let's power it on. You have the power button right here. And this has some really nice materials. It's got all aluminum all around it. Power button right here, volume rocker right above it. Nothing on this side. Samsung right there. You get the Type-C logo. Type-C port right here. Speaker, noise cancellation mic. Up top you get your SIM remover tool. You do get your noise cancellation mic up top. Punch hole cutout, which is extremely small on the front. It says let's go, let's begin. Let's go ahead and select English and click continue. And it says right here, agree to all terms and conditions. Now this does look really nice. It does look really nice. You are getting that 120 hertz, I believe, on here. So let's just click skip this portion. Skip anyway. Don't copy. And let's just go to more more and accept. Now this is a really fast setup process. You can see you have face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, password, and PIN. Let's just go ahead and skip those. Skip this as well, which is your Bixby, and then you could just go ahead and finish. So the phone is all set up. Oh my God, that display looks extremely beautiful. Let me see. Wow, that looks extremely smooth. Now, let me go ahead and take off this screen thing that's on here. And put that here. All right, cool. So now I can really appreciate this satin finish on the back of here. It's like a satin finish. Feels really good to the touch, extremely nice to the touch. Wow, that's like almost like, have you ever touched a balloon before? It feels exactly like if you touch a balloon, like right after you blow it up, you get that really nice matte material on it. Really nice material on here. 3 cameras right here on the back. Solid edges on here. There is a screen protector on this phone. I'm gonna rip that off right now. Put that off to the side. Yeah, this looks absolutely gorgeous. The screen, you can see that it does have that default refresh rate, so it's not giving you that adaptive refresh rate. Every single screen will give you that refresh display that you need. So you can go to the screen right here. It does give you the dark mode as well as light mode, and you can see that adaptive brightness kicking in, motion smoothness. So it does give you that 120 hertz right here. So it's already on that right out of the box. You don't have to do anything. And when I was in store at the T-Mobile store, I was sold because I was able to see the difference, and you could definitely see the difference when you're scrolling. Now, is it enough to not buy 60 hertz screens? No way. But it does look extremely pleasant when you're looking at it, and really nice. But we're gonna dive into this phone in a ton more detail. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this phone and give you guys an idea of how this phone looks in all of its appreciation here. But I really do like this color. It's extremely beautiful. They also put some plastic here, I believe, down below, which we can peel off as well. I might keep that on there just to, you know, for now. But this color is absolutely gorgeous. And then the camera module has like this forest green color underneath, which is absolutely beautiful. So it's got that really nice satin-like back, just absolutely pleasant to the touch. Really nice to look at. And I'm gonna go outside right now, take a few sample pictures and sample photos with the camera, and then I'll see you guys right after this. Hey, what's going on, guys? So they have this mode called live focus video mode, but you have to have your mask off. It won't recognize your face unless you have your mask off. So you can't use the live focus or even the bokeh, the portrait, I mean, on the front facing camera. You have to have your mask pretty much off for it to work. But I think that's a really cool feature. I really live for features like that. But let me know how the audio quality sounds with all these cars that just passed by, and let me know how the auto stabilization is. But I really love features just like this for vlogging, anything you want. This is a really cool feature. It's kind of like a DSLR camera. Okay, so this is the rear camera. Let's jump to wide angle. Wow, that's wide angle. You can switch automatically with the press of a button without stopping the video. Let's jump back to standard mode. Okay, cool. Let's jump back to the, I think I was covering up the microphone. Let's go back to this mode right here. That's 3 times zoom. Look at these plants right here. Let's go back to standard. And that looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at those flowers. Alright, so let's just check out. Let me know how the stabilization looks on here as well. I'm gonna take some photos.